How to clean your espresso machine, a step-by-step guide. Here's what you will need. 1. Cafetto cleaning powder. 2. A milk jug. 3. A blind portafilter. 4. A cloth. Step 1. Clean the group head. Flush water through the group head and let it wash over the portafilter. Swap your portafilter basket with a blind basket. This basket has no holes. Add 1 teaspoon of Cafetto powder. Insert the portafilter into the group head and start the water cycle to initiate the back flush. Start the back flush for 10 seconds and stop. Repeat this process for 5 times. Step 2. Clean the portafilter. Remove the basket from the portafilter. Dissolve half a teaspoon of Cafetto powder into a bowl of hot water. Soak the basket and portafilter in the solution. Next, scrub the parts with soap and rinse. Dry and reassemble the portafilter. Step 3. Clean the drip tray and machine exterior. Remove and clean the drip tray with soap and water. Wipe the external parts of the machine. Step 4. Clean the milk wand. Fill a milk jug with water and dissolve half a teaspoon of Cafetto powder and froth the water, moving the wand up and down. Discard the solution, refill the jug with clean water and repeat the frothing. After cleaning, release steam from the wand to clear any remaining chemical in it. Step 5. The final step. After cleaning your machine, it is time to brew an espresso. Discard the first brew. This ensures any remaining chemicals are flushed out. Now your espresso machine is clean and ready to brew coffee.